Practical Guide to Digital Media Production. Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of content creation with a review of our fantastic and up-to-date book, Digital Media Production, a resource guide for advertisers, public relations, journalism and new media professionals in the viral age. Basic information of this book. Its title is Digital Media Production, a resource guide for advertiser, public relations, journalism and new media professionals in the viral age. Its authors are Paul Fornelli and Jody Mahler. Its publisher is Cognella and year of publication is 2024, its second edition. This book is a must-have for anyone serious about creating media that stands out in today's crowded digital landscape. It's the second edition published by Cognella in 2024, written by Dr. Paul Fornelli and Jody Mahler. It's updated to cover the most current trends and techniques for the viral age. Key takeaway number 1. The production process. Pre-production, planning and strategy. Production, execution and creation. Post-production, editing and distribution. The book breaks down the entire media production process into 3 clear, actionable stages. It starts with pre-production, which is all about planning your content and strategy. Then comes production, where you actually create the content. Finally, it covers post-production, where you polish and distribute your work. It's a clear roadmap for any project. Key takeaway number 2. Standing out in a crowded world. Content oversaturation. The power of the viral age. Team collaboration. The core message here is how to make your content grab attention in a world that's totally oversaturated. The authors emphasize the importance of understanding the digital ecosystem, from viral trends to collaborative teamwork, to ensure your message not only gets seen but also resonates with your audience. Key takeaway number 3. Practical skills. Writing effective scripts and treatments, audio and visual recording techniques, editing and post-production workflows. This isn't just theory. The book is full of practical advice and hands-on skills, covering everything from writing compelling scripts to mastering audio and visual recording techniques. It even delves into editing software and post-production workflows, making it a truly comprehensive resource. Final verdict. Why you should read it? Relevant, updated for the latest digital trends, comprehensive, covers all the stages of production, practical, focuses on actionable skills, who is for students, aspiring creators, and professionals in advertising, PR, and journalism. My final verdict. Digital media production is an incredibly relevant and comprehensive guide. It's perfect for students and professionals alike who want to create high-impact media in today's dynamic landscape. If you are serious about your craft, this book is an essential addition in your library. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what's your favorite media production book. See you next time.